Y'all asked for a recipe. Danny was wanting to try beef in his dressing, and he likes it really soupy, so we're pouring all this in here and making beef dressing. I'm going to cook this in the oven for everything in here is really done. You just want to dry it just a little, but not too much. You want it to stay moist. And so we're going to put this in the oven at about 350, 370, somewhere along in there, for about 30 minutes. Hey guys, welcome to Pecan Grove. Danny has no clue what he's fixing to get into here.
No, I just come in from hunting, and it's cold outside, and I got by a warm fire, and she says, "Get up here, I got you to do something." I said, "Well, I'm hungry," and she said, "We'll talk about that later. I need you to do something right now." I was like, "Okay." So I'm sitting here with an empty plate.
You know how you wanted to have some beef dressing?
Yeah.
All right, so I made you some beef dressing, and we're fixing to try it.
Okay, I'm game for that.
Now, see how you like it and what you think.
She just took this out of the oven, so I'm pretty guessing it's pretty hot.
It looks good, doesn't it?
Well, I ain't never seen dressing that didn't look good now. It's smoking, I know that, so it's hot. And see, I've always said, I don't know why we can't have dressing all year long instead of just right at Christmas and Thanksgiving.
If you like beef dressing, then, that's a good possibility. I got broth already till we get a turkey or a few chickens or something. Why only use turkey and chicken? Why not beef?
That's always been my thought. All right. Now, I don't know if I can eat that hot as it is. That joker's steaming. Look at that. You know what goes really good with it? Cranberry sauce.
Hold on.
All right. Miss Wanda got me some cranberry sauce. So we're going to...
This is cranberry we made from whole berries we got from Azure Standard.
Azure Standard.
And the...
I love me some homemade cranberry sauce now.
The dressing, I took some of our peppers and onions and celery and sauteed them down. Then I added the beef broth with some meat in it and cooked it for a while, added a little more broth while the cornbread was cooking. Let it stew down a while. And then I mixed it all together and threw it in the oven. So let's see.
Let's see what it tastes like here, huh? May have to add a little more juice to it later, but let's just check this out. Kind of hot. Has it got little pieces of beef in it?
Yes.
What was that? What's the thing old Jed Clampett used to say? Well, doggy, I think I like that better than I do the chicken and the chicken.
It's got a good flavor?
It tastes fantastic.
Good.
I mean,
who knew?
I really like the taste of it better than I do turkey or chicken or anything. I mean, good Lord, that is good.
Okay, I'm going to have to try some. Well, it is really, really good. And if you did not know, you wouldn't know it wasn't chicken or turkey. It really doesn't change the flavor.
Change the flavor. The only reason that I would know would be I see the red meat in it. And I'm thinking, that's not the dark meat from chickens or turkey.
But the taste is fantastic.
That taste is fantastic. I don't know whoever came up with the idea that you couldn't use beef.
Well, nobody ever said you couldn't. They've just always used turkey or chicken. So we were thinking outside the box. Let's do some beef.
I love it. I literally love it.
It is a win-win, isn't it?
It definitely is. Yeah. Okay, and 2, we are supposed to be announcing a winner of some of the Danny cornmeal, and the winner in for this video is a piece of my heart. That's a winner of the cornmeal. So the person who that is, if you will contact us at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com, Miss Wanda will be more than happy to get your package of Danny cornmeal in the mail, so that if you want to make some dressing like this, you can make you some beef dressing. If you don't want to use a turkey, or if you want to use a turkey, that's fine too. But I'm telling you, this is good. Now, a piece of my heart, contact Miss Wanda, and she'll get your information. Thank you from Pecan Grove. Guys, if you'd like your cards displayed on Miss Wanda's reef, you can send them to P.O. Box 462, Wiggins, Mississippi, 39577, and she'll be more than happy to put your cards up on her reef with all the rest of them.